Another monstrosity. Alright, so guys, welcome to Faith Connection. I'm showing you tree number 2. So walk with me as I show you how tall this tree is. That's how tall it is. I'm gonna have to use a ladder to get up there. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to put a star, so I'm gonna turn it a little bit so you guys can see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use probably a bow for the top instead of a star. So it's not fluffed out as yet. I just went ahead and put them on each other. So I guess tomorrow we will fluff them out and start decorating them. But this shall be interesting. Guys, look at these lights, and it go between colorful and what you call it, just yellow lights. Yeah, so it in between it. I think it is beautiful.